Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier life. Do you know, more than 3.5 billion people worldwide don't get enough calcium every day? Yes, you heard it right. Even though calcium is one of the most important minerals in our body, it's also one of the most neglected, especially among vegetarians. Calcium is one of the most essential nutrients for our bodies, playing a critical role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. As vegetarians, it's especially important to ensure we're getting enough calcium from our diet, since we don't consume dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, which are rich in calcium. In this video, we'll explore the top 15 calcium-rich vegetarian foods that you can easily incorporate into your daily meals. One of the biggest challenges vegetarians face is getting enough calcium from their diet. Calcium deficiency can lead to weak bones, osteoporosis, and an increased risk of fractures. This is particularly concerning for vegetarians who don't plan their diet carefully. Without enough calcium, our bodies will start to draw calcium from our bones, which can lead to a range of health problems. A well-planned vegetarian diet can provide all the necessary calcium, but it requires some knowledge and effort. Many vegetarians rely on fortified plant-based milk and cereals to get their calcium, but these can be limited in their nutritional value. Others may turn to supplements, but these can be expensive and may not provide all the other nutrients we need. That's why it's crucial to know which foods are naturally rich in calcium and how to incorporate them into our daily meals. By making a few simple changes to our diet, we can ensure we're getting all the calcium we need. The good news is that there are many delicious and nutritious vegetarian foods that are rich in calcium. From leafy greens to fortified plant-based milk, there are plenty of options to choose from. By exploring these options, we can create a balanced and healthy diet that provides all the necessary calcium. Let's dive into the top 15 calcium-rich vegetarian foods. These foods are not only rich in calcium but also packed with other essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's get started. Kale is one of the richest sources of calcium, with a single cup providing over 250 milligrams of calcium. Broccoli is another superstar, providing around 200 milligrams of calcium per cup. Fortified tofu is also an excellent option, with some brands providing up to 300 milligrams of calcium per 3-ounce serving. Almonds and sesame seeds are also great sources of calcium, with a 1-ounce serving providing around 260 milligrams and 280 milligrams of calcium, respectively. Some other standout foods that are exceptionally high in calcium include collard greens, which provide around 250 milligrams of calcium per cup, and calcium-set tofu, which can provide up to 400 milligrams of calcium per 3-ounce serving. Okra is another unexpected food that's rich in calcium, with a single cup providing around 120 milligrams of calcium. Figs are also a great source of calcium, with a single cup providing around 130 milligrams of calcium. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides us around 31 milligrams of calcium. 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you around 245 milligrams of calcium. That's nearly 1/4 of your daily need. 1 cup of cooked rhubarb provides us around 348 milligrams of calcium. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds packs 77 milligrams of calcium. Imagine the power in just a spoonful. 1 cup of cooked soybeans provides us around 175 milligrams of calcium. A real plant-based protein and calcium combo. Edamame also good source of calcium. 1 cup of cooked edamame provides us around 98 milligrams of calcium. Incorporating these calcium-rich foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. Strong bones and teeth are just the beginning. Calcium also plays a critical role in muscle function, nerve function, and heart health. By making a few simple changes to your diet, you can ensure you're getting all the calcium you need to stay healthy and strong. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have a favorite calcium-rich food, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other video on vegetarian nutrition, where I explore the best plant-based sources of protein, fiber, and carbohydrates. Their links are given in the description box. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.